Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pet grooming with what I confidently believe is the best dog hair trimmer available. The oneisall dog shaver clippers. Now, what sets these clippers apart from the rest? Let's start with the basics. Designed by pet lover Peter, these clippers were crafted with the intention of providing a stress-free grooming experience for both pets and owners alike. And let me tell you, they deliver on that promise. First off, let's talk noise. One of the standout features of the oneisall clippers is their whisper-quiet operation. With a noise level of only about 55 decibels, these clippers ensure that even the most skittish pets stay calm and relaxed during their grooming sessions. No more anxious barks or whimpers, just a peaceful and comfortable grooming process. But it's not just about noise level. These clippers boast a sleek and ergonomic design that makes them a breeze to handle. The comfortable grip minimizes strain on your hand, allowing for precise and controlled grooming, even in those hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's talk versatility. The oneisall clippers feature adjustable blade settings, allowing you to customize the cutting length to suit your pet's specific needs. Plus, the sharp stainless steel blades effortlessly cut through even the thickest of fur, leaving a smooth and professional finish every time. And here's the cherry on top. These clippers are rechargeable and cordless, providing the convenience you need. With a long-lasting battery, you can complete multiple grooming sessions on a single charge, making them perfect for multi-pet households or professional groomers. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied pet owners who've experienced the magic of the oneisall dog shaver clippers firsthand. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best dog hair trimmer that combines exceptional noise reduction, precision cutting, and user-friendly features, look no further than the oneisall dog shaver clippers. Your pets will thank you for the gentle and peaceful grooming experience, and you'll appreciate the professional results. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming.